People, me I beg on you, please, people, me I beg on you, please. Like literally, me don't want to go up on my knee, but me I beg on you, people, please, me I beg on you. Nathan Canberra, where you want to name me, I call you out, boss. Beeston thing left all the people, they need help up here, more. You look, see it there? People them blow them, people don't know if we live, brother. If I have some chopper, and the people need it. The little kids don't know water, thirst, kill them, brother. Brother, when you come to my father, man, you know fly copter over people every minute, and imagine you know fly copter over people, man, them not no food to eat. How if you do them things, my father? See the whole place. I must see about 20 somebody catch another place at night time. The concrete, the one concrete that's up right now. See the whole place mash up people. See that place and if you don't have people stand up at night time. Everybody stand up. Nobody can lie down. And someone lie down in a good bed and anything in the bed. And come. And you can't do something there. And I just me left and center myself come down here. And if me can't reach down here, soldier can't reach down here too. Me come down here and I see two copter fly over down here and I see nobody. I have a signal, bro. Come on, man. I people them, brother. I see them people them vote you in. I want to still play politics. You have so much people mash up. See the little kids them here? Not even water they don't have to drink, my father. Me I tell them, I beg on you please. See people them see sponge them on the bed and everything ever out the door wet up. Imagine you don't have no water to drink, you don't have no food to eat, and you still have to sleep out the door. You don't give people some food, man. Bring some chopper in come for people them. See them as far as they can see. Every house blow down. All the house stand up down here is concrete house and they can't count the two concrete. See the one over there so and one up there so. No more not there. People don't want to help me father man. You know, come man. Mr. Mark go on me, I beg you if you go to the people in my Beeston to left all. Them want water. If I have water, bring some water come give them. But they can't quench them thirst. From the storm blow, from the look food and then they having a storm and then they buy for the storm, then put it on fire already and it done for a Sunday. And some of them wet up, some of them mash up. The people that need help me father man, I beg you please call the people, them everything mash up. Brother, me I tell you literally like some people go mad out and people go dead on them something like literally just seeing this. You can't feel good. People I beg you. Carry some water, can give people some juice. Something. Remember say time hot, them have no ice water. Them literally have no water, so how them going to survive? And when you sit down in a copter every day, fly up and down. Come on, I beg you please, you can't give people some help. You can't make it look so. Me I beg you if you can help the people them. Nathan Campbell, me I beg you. And if you see that message and you ignore it, me I have it out. Me I beg you if you can help the people them. Fly one copter with some food and some water. Come give people them to drink and eat. My little see one girl, so she can't move because she has nothing to eat. And she's hungry and she's thirsty. Imagine you're hungry and thirsty at the same time. Bro, you know do better.